What's up, guys? So I didn't get a chance to lay everything out as I kind of packed as I went, but I've got everything loaded down that I'm bringing, and honestly I didn't count to see how many I was bringing. But here in just a minute, when I am at the Honk, we'll go over everything I brought. But I'm guessing probably around 20 horns or so. I do have my big KM, my 110 and 85 underneath everything, and I have horns stacked with layers of blankets, so nothing's rubbing, so I think everything's good. But I've got quite a few. Also up front, we do have some special guests this year. And mind my mess, we got a bunch of stuff in here. Anyone know what that is? So that's really special right there. That is a original SL4T. And then all the way over there covered up is a 52 S3J with all 3-digit bells. So those are very sweet. Now these actually belong to a friend of mine. These are not my horns right here, but you'll be seeing more of them here shortly. So we'll see you there, guys. Made a quick stop, pick a buddy up. Added a few more horns to the lot. Got them stacked in here this time. Probably could have used a nice trailer, but didn't have that option this year. But anyway, got it loaded down. Got the H5 and the S3J and the SL4T in the cab. We're headed out. See y'all when we get there. Getting set up. We've got a bunch of them out, still some more arriving. This is a 2024 Honk. This year I didn't bring as many. As you see, I didn't lay them all out, but I think I ended up with 19. So that's a new one this year. Nobody's seen it yet. It's a mass notification signal. It's Canadian. That's a K4-2. So that means it has 4 number 2 bells. There's a P7. It's got a 0 bell on it. As far as what I brought out, I brought the Burnett Power Saws M3, my P01235, of course the KM 85 and 110. That's another new horn that no one's seen yet. It is a early Canadian with ribbed back caps, a K3H. Brought the Buell B5, the rare one of 3. It's like the high mount, I guess you would say, Buell B5. Conrail S3L aluminum tabby. I brought the CN&W, which y'all haven't seen yet either, S5T. It's a 53, it's very early. All unmarked bells, which is really cool. I brought the EJ&E RS3L. Brought the 2021 RS5T, it's brand new. That one originally came from Horn Blasters. See, I'm kind of in the middle of the group. Brought a Ferromax K5HL with 2-piece 1L. Brought a brand new 2022 year model K5HLB CSX RS5T. It's all Persephone heads. Brought a well, it's either it's Reading and Northern or Go Transit. Not sure yet what it is. That's 97 new old stock K5LA. I've got, let's see, a Frisco S5T. And I guess that does it for what I brought out today. Oh, and I do have a P5A right there, that's mine. Anyway, Jesse, a buddy of mine, rode with me, brought an H5 out, nice SL4T, and a 52 S3J. And it actually has 3-digit numbers. So super cool.
And it's a complete piece of shit. What's up?
What's up, man? That's all marked.
That's right.
But anyway, we're gonna have a good time. We still got a few more to show up. We're gonna start honking here in probably about 10 minutes. Give you a walk around real quick, throw some pictures up. Like I said, we've got a few more to show up. We do have a new air reservoir this year, and I'll show you that. There's our honk rig. We got 4 spots on the stands. Got a pretty sweet bell and a little whistle. We've also got, how many CF films is this?
Enough.
Enough, yeah, right. 185.
It'll fill this tank in about 7 minutes.
It'll fill this
500 or 600.
500, 600 gallon tank. in
Have you
about
got any
6
on
minutes.
this
mathematicians out there?
Yeah,
It's like pi times the length times that. Figure it out.
Nice
CSX
pressure regulator. That
stuff.
got inlet pressure, outlet pressure, and it's got a nice dial to dial it into.
heck yeah.
Yeah.
We got plenty of air this year.
Yeah, it's got a
So this was donated.
reversion, anti-reversion valve, and
Oh yeah,
spitter out the back pressure reliefs. Keep it clear your lines out. It's cool.
awesome.
Yeah, Phil. Thanks, Phil.
Thank you,
Phil's
Phil.
the man.
Phil donated this to the Honk. So very appreciative to Phil. Thanks a lot, man. This has helped out a lot. So we have pretty much infinite air. So air is not an issue this year. Anyway, see y'all in a minute, guys. How's it going, Chris?
Hey, I'm doing pretty good, man. How's everybody else out there today?
Oh, I think we're all doing pretty good. Chris has come out to the Honk this year. I invited him out, and he's brought some of his really cool creations, so I figured we'd take a look at them.
Yeah, well,
But,
welcome to Frankensteinville.
Yeah. So show us, what's this green one right
We
here?
got Prime 929. Took a 48 bell, cut it down, make 55 bell.
Very cool.
Super modified.
Super modified K5LA, or well, what do you call it?
It's a SK5A.
SK5A. So it's a S5T with Nathan power chambers.
Yep,
K power chambers.
No, it's the A bells.
A bells. Okay.
Yeah, A bells. Nathan power chambers. The bells have been bored out to 1 inch and 3/8.
Gotcha.
Rusley S3E.
S3E.
Yep.
Very cool. That's gonna be an interesting one.
Got a S4T, a custom manifold. It was
Cool.
2 3-chime manifolds that found trees at some point.
Gotcha.
And that's my KM3.
KM3.
Yeah,
Very cool.
they were all K1 bells, and cut them and lengthened them
I got you.
in structural aluminum.
Well, heck yeah. Well, I'm looking forward to those. Well, we'll be seeing those here shortly. We've got a bunch of other people out here, and we're about to get going.
Little different sound.
Oh yeah. We've got some nice different sounds this year. Some real nice stuff. So yeah, we still got some more horns coming out. We've got some more people showing up. So go get some pictures of them. I see a Tilt Bell M3 over there. It looks pretty nice. Food time. We're at intermission. We've got a nice meal today. Got barbecue, all kinds of sides. Gonna be some good eats. About halfway through the horns. We'll have more here shortly. Got you some food, Mark.
What?
Don't eat all that, you're gonna get fat.
Dude, I'm already fucking fat. I'm a truck driver. Look at you.
Hey, you wanna know something? I'm down 70 pounds from last year.
And you sexy as fuck, congratulations.
Got all our horns over there.
Ready? Don't put that up. I dropped the N-word.
Oh, it's going out. What's up?
Peace time.
Hey, we appreciate it, man.
Oh, we appreciate you guys.
This honk couldn't be possible without you.
Well, you neither, brother, and we'll always make it around you. You know that.
Well, we
you're
really appreciate it.
You're the veteran contributor and the horn king. And
No, I appreciate
put that
it.
phone down and make sure you fill your belly up here in a minute, okay?
Oh, it's going down.
It's going down.
That's fucking mean.
it.